I love this pesto, delicious. First of all, there's no garlic in it, but it's also made with pistachios and arugula, which is a whole different rich flavor profile than pine nuts and basil. First, we start with Pecorino cheese, super sharp, very salty. It's actually got a little more robust flavor than Parmesan, so it works great with the arugula, which is spicy. And pistachios, salt and pepper. And we're gonna grind this up until it's the texture of coarse sand. That's beautiful. Now remember, when you're making pesto in a food processor, don't process it too far. Nuts are packed with oils, and if you keep grinding them, you're gonna end up with nut butter. And we don't want that. We want bits of texture and little bits of nut in the pesto. So that's beautifully ground, kind of like sandy pebbles on the beach. And now everything else is going in. I have baby arugula. Seems like a lot, but just like basil pesto, you need quite a bit of the greens to make it liquefied. Olive oil and lemon juice. We'll keep this nice and bright. The arugula is very bright and tart, but the lemon will add even more brightness to this. This we want to process for about 20 seconds until it's coarsely ground, but not turning it into paste. I'm going to need about half of this for this gnocchi recipe. The rest, I'll put in a container. I'll put plastic wrap directly on the surface of the pesto and cover it tightly. You don't want air to come in contact with, especially basil pesto, or in this case, the arugula. It will oxidize and turn dark. That's why you see pestos that are that really dark olive green. They've come in contact with air. So don't let air anywhere near it. You can refrigerate it for about a week or throw it in the freezer and it's good for months. So I'm just taking half of that into a bowl. This will be awaiting my hot cooked gnocchi. Let's just give this a taste here. That nice nutty pistachio flavor in there and bright, zippy, tart arugula, plus a little bit of underlying brightness from the lemon juice and olive oil, and the Pecorino cheese is super salty. It blends it all beautifully together. I can smell the pistachios and that salty Pecorino. This dish is a winner. For all you people out there that are not garlic fans like me, this is the pesto for you. Every bit as flavorful as a Genovese or a regular basil pesto. So good.